Yeah, I must say it's been an exciting time, 3 days, and not many people, but people with various backgrounds and experiences, the youth with successful businesses in agriculture, and, partners in different ways that provide support to the young people in agribusiness. And so the first day was more or less really to interact, to get to know each other, to network, and to discuss broadly, all matters around youth entrepreneurship in agriculture, agribusiness, creation of jobs, digitalization. So it was really quite exciting. Now the second day, the discussions, went even further to identify specific topics for which we wanted to develop it. We want to develop communication knowledge products. And that's what is even more exciting, because you start really discussing broadly and then having in mind that the final output will be really something that will go out there and inspire and give information to as many people as possible. So this third day is really the day D, as we call it. We are busy. We were busy the whole morning, and this afternoon, writing articles, briefs, and a number of other communication materials around the specific few topics that we were able to identify on youth entrepreneurship in agriculture, agribusiness, and job creation. And I must tell you, we've been able really to touch on each and every key aspect of this important agenda in ACP countries. And so we hope at the end of the day to have these products ready, maybe not very ready, but at least something we can keep working on